Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of the city of Kingston, and there you can see the sign, and we are on Mandela Highway, which is the main route or the main road you would take to go into and out of the city of Kingston. This is actually the busiest road in Jamaica. We are heading towards Mandeville today, so we're going to take the highway and we're going to go on Highway 2000 East West Leg. And this is actually the first highway to be built in Jamaica by what you consider a highway based on the new standard. Like the road we're on now is Mandela Highway, you can see. That road, the Highway 2000 East West Leg, was renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. So we're driving out of the city of Kingston and going on to the PJ Patterson Highway. What happened was when the road was built, it was called Highway 2000. And persons just still remember it by that name, even though the highway was later renamed the PJ Patterson Highway after the former Prime Minister of Jamaica, PJ Patterson. And PJ Patterson was very instrumental in getting that highway built. A member of the opposition said at the opening, if it wasn't for Mr. Patterson, this highway probably would not be built. So the road was named after him. And on the left coming up now is the Fesco gas station, which is the busiest gas station in Jamaica. It's also one of the largest. And it was built recently. You have to kind of wonder, this is the busiest road in Jamaica. We're on Mandela Highway. And it took so long for a gas station to be built on the busiest road in Jamaica. It's kind of weird, I don't know. It probably had to do with this road being renovated. As you can see, it's a very nice road. This is probably the nicest road you're going to find in Jamaica, this section of the road. When you're driving on this road, you actually believe you're on a highway in a first world country. This road was renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and it cost 64 million US, and it was money well spent because this road takes you from the city of Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town, and also to both major highways. So an excellent job fixing this road. Doesn't matter which administration did it, the good thing is Jamaica got the road. Now the extension, the upgrade of the road is from Spanish Town Road to straight ahead where you have the turn off to Portmore. So that was done under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. So there's another program coming up, which is the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, which will see the continuation of the road upgrade from where it ended all the way down to the Old Harbour Road roundabout. Recently it was announced about another project. I don't know if they renamed the Greater Infrastructure Development Project the Special Capital Expenditure Program, because the Governor General spoke about that special capital project in his throne speech, and they said they were going to be spending billions of dollars to upgrade roads in the corporate area. So we'll keep you guys updated. The program is coming. Maybe it's, I can't imagine it's two separate programs, so maybe they just used a different name, or they've changed the name from the Greater Infrastructure Development Program to the Special Capital Expenditure Program. But a lot more roads are going to be upgraded in the corporate area. So the main project will be the continuation of the upgrade of Mandela Highway. You're going to upgrade Lady Musgrave Road, East King's House Road. They're going to look like this, with a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade, and a lot of progress. We haven't gotten though an update or more details, but we will, and we'll let you guys know. but it's definitely coming. The government has announced actually East Kings House Road to be renovated. I think it was probably before COVID or recently. That project hasn't started yet though, but it is in the works. And they're actually going to be planting trees along East Kings House Road as an environmental or a climate change project. Alright, so we are on Highway 2000 now, the east-west leg, and this is the PJ Patterson Highway. We exited off Mandela Highway, and the reason why we say Highway 2000 east-west leg is because Highway 2000 actually has three parts. There is a highway from Kingston to Ocherius, which is Highway 2000 north-south leg, and that road was recently renamed the Edward Siaga Highway. And then we have this road that we're on, which is Highway 2000 east-west leg that runs from Kingston to Montego Bay. However, the road is not finished yet. It's still under construction. The finished section goes from Kingston to Maypen, and then the Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction, and they recently started construction on the Montego Bay to Anchovy leg of the highway. So the only part left now would be from Mandeville or Manchester through St. Elizabeth and connect back to Anchovy in, I think it's Westmoreland or Hanover, or maybe St. James, but Anchovy is probably St. James. So that is in the works. Oh, Highway 2000 has three legs. The north-south leg, which is the Edward Siaga Highway, Kingston to Ocherius, and then you have Kingston to Montego Bay, which is the east-west leg, which is the PJ Patterson Highway, and then you have a section from Kingston to Portmore, which is the Portmore Expressway. That's also a part of Highway 2000. And Highway 2000 is a toll road. All the roads are toll roads. Toll roads meaning you have to pay a toll to use them. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.